Welcome to Horizonte. I'm Oso Campos. This is a restaurant bar in Tijuana, Baja California, Mexico, and we're gonna show you some tacos that we make here, some of the food that is served in this place. So we're gonna make now the pólvora taco, which is a smoked salmon taco, and then it gets finished on the open flame. So we use, we have the portion of the salmon. It gets first. We go straight from the skin to the grill. So we kind of try to get that part a little bit crispier. And meanwhile, we make a quesadilla. In this case, it's gonna be flour tortilla. Basically what we do in the quesadilla, we just put the cheese, the flour, and a poblano rajas. Poblano onions, saute already. We make a chile poblano rajas without any cream. And this is the base of the chile, of the taco. Okay. This taquito is gonna come with two sauces, and the name is pólvora. It has ashes sauces. The ashes sauce is made out of garlic, onion, tortillas. ¿Ya estamos? Let's go. Okay. As I was saying, the sauce is made out of ashes of tortilla, garlic, and onion, and it gets dissolved with orange juice. That's how we make one of the sauces. The other sauce is made with mango, chiltepín, and peppermint, fresh peppermint. So it's two sauces. And then basically our first sauce is this, the mango sauce with chiltepín and peppermint. That's one. And the next one is the ashes sauce, which is like a Mayan recipe basically. This is, as I was telling you, this comes with ashes of garlic, onion, tortilla, and then we finish it with fresh pomegranate. And this is the gunpowder taco.